Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing how to get rid of German cockroaches. German cockroaches are one of the most common household pests. They are known for their ability to survive in almost any environment and reproduce at an alarming rate. So, if you have a German cockroach infestation, it's important to act fast before it gets out of control. Step 1. Identify the problem. The first step in getting rid of German cockroaches is to identify the problem. Look for signs of cockroach activity, such as droppings, egg cases, or dead roaches. German cockroaches are usually found in the kitchen or bathroom, but they can also be found in other areas of the house. Step 2. Clean your home. The next step is to clean your home. German cockroaches are attracted to food, so it's important to keep your kitchen clean and free of crumbs. Wipe down counters and surfaces, and store food in airtight containers. Don't forget to clean your bathroom as well, as cockroaches are attracted to moisture. Step 3. Use cockroach baits. Cockroach baits are an effective way to get rid of German cockroaches. They contain a slow-acting poison that the cockroaches will take back to their nest, where it will be spread to the rest of the colony. Place the baits in areas where cockroach activity has been observed, such as under sinks and behind appliances. Step 4. Use cockroach traps. Cockroach traps are another effective way to get rid of German cockroaches. They work by attracting the cockroaches with a scent and then trapping them. Place the traps in areas where cockroach activity has been observed. Step 5. Call a professional. If you have tried the above methods and still have a German cockroach infestation, it's time to call a professional. A professional pest control company will have access to stronger pesticides and can apply them safely and effectively. Getting rid of German cockroaches can be a difficult task, but with the right approach, it's definitely achievable. By following these steps, you can effectively eliminate the cockroach infestation in your home. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.